مصدق بھائی, I don't think so آپ نے کسی کو بھی یہاں پہ مس کیا ہے. اینڈ آپ سے پہلے میں سب سے پہلے میں ثنا اینڈ مصدق بھائی, I really want to thank you for organizing today's event. And جب بھی ہم میں سے یہاں پہ بیٹھا ہوا کوئی بھی بندہ کبھی بھی ہمیں کسی کی ضرورت پڑی ہے, so I think him and his family are the first ones to be here, and I don't know how we can thank you enough. Thank you so much for everything you do for us, your commitment, your sincerity to all of us, and your contribution to the community. Thank you so much. I'm here to introduce Mr. Yasser Naqvi, who's an MP from Ottawa Centre, an individual who worked from the grassroots to the position where important decisions needs to be made. Looking at the situation of our party right now, we need a leader who understands what we lacked in the past, the goals we should aim for and how to achieve those. Him having served as the Attorney General, Government House Leader, Minister of Community Safety and Correctional Services, and Minister of Labour, he understands the need of Ontario. Someone who knows that how important it is to connect with people riding by riding. Someone who's ready to listen and hear their issues. Someone who's ready to accept and take the ownership of the things that went wrong in the past and learn from those. Someone who has the experience to make tough decisions. Yasser, I think we have got a great opportunity this time that we have somebody as credible as him running from our community. I think we all need to come together and help and support him in any way we can. I would like you to come here, share your views, and give us the plan, what you have for rebuilding of our party and defeating Doug Ford in 2026.